Wow, this is very nice.
What's nice?
Wow. Oh, nothing. Oh, this was too nice. Yeah, no. It doesn't suit you, mate. No. Wow, this place is massive. Look at the size of the living area and the high ceilings.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's good, but yeah, you don't need something big like this, right? You need something maybe a little bit cozy, smaller. Yeah, I think I suit this one. Do you like cooking, Andrew?
Not really, no.
Yeah, this is more of like a chef's kitchen anyway. Look at this 900mm cooking top. I think it suits someone like me.
Mike, I actually really like this place.
That doesn't surprise me. I think most people will love this. Unfortunately, I don't think my finance is ready for this. But my loss could be your gain. I will see you at the next inspection.